Welcome to MOLearns, the online program that will prepare you to take the Missouri High School Equivalency exam. You have taken the first steps toward earning your high school equivalency by completing an online application and going to a local adult education and literacy program to TABE test. Before beginning your online studies, you will be required to complete this online orientation. This online orientation will take approximately 10 hours and must be completed within 2 weeks of receiving your username and password. If at any time during the orientation you feel distance learning is not for you, please contact your online teacher. Are you ready to start studying for your high school equivalency? Before you begin any educational course, you must ask yourself a few questions. What barriers are you facing right now that may keep you from studying? What barriers will you face in the near future that may keep you from studying? Do you have at least 5 hours a week to devote to your studies? Can you return to an adult education and literacy facility and take an updated TABE test every 60 days? Why, at this point in your life, do you want your high school equivalency certificate? The online program is not an easy solution to taking high school equivalency classes. The coursework that you will see in the online program is just as vigorous as that of what you would see in a face-to-face class. If you have taken adult education and literacy classes in the past and did not take them seriously, online will not work for you. You must be dedicated to your studies. Make sure you read all instructions and ask your teacher for help if you don't understand a concept. You will be dropped from the program if you do not complete a minimum of 5 hours of work each week. Contact your teacher if you will be away from your studies for any period of time. You must return to a classroom and post-test every 60 days. If you do not post-test, you will be dropped from the program. You must complete this orientation within 2 weeks of receiving your username and password. During this orientation, you will learn how to use the Blackboard and Skills Tutor systems. You will also complete a couple surveys to see what type of learner you are and to know if distance learning is your best option. You will learn the technology skills that are crucial for using the online system and will be introduced to a multitude of study skills. Finally, you will learn the math and writing skills that will help you be successful using the online program. You will be dropped from the online program if you refuse to follow the program's policies. If you do not complete a minimum of 5 hours of work each week, you will be dropped from the program. If you refuse to return to a local facility to take an updated TABE test, you may also be dropped. All students' hours are monitored at the end of each month. If you have not met the requirements of the class, you risk the chance of being dropped from MOLearns. When you begin the orientation, please read through all components of the curriculum. To receive credit for completing the orientation, you must take the quiz at the end of each section. Good luck working towards your high school equivalency.